If you're looking for a cheap and delicious meal, well, today I'm going to be showing you a very easy instant noodle recipe. So you'll start by prepping your sauce. To a small bowl, add in some oyster sauce, soy sauce, and sweet chili sauce. Stir everything to combine and set aside. The sweet chili sauce is going to add some lovely sweetness to your noodles. To my pan, I'm going to be adding in some green onions and one red onion. Stir in and also add in some crushed garlic. I'm using 3 cloves of garlic. Stir in and let everything cook together until the garlic is fragrant and the onions are soft. As the onion and garlic is cooking, I'm going to be adding in some carrots. The carrots are going to add a very nice color to my noodles. So I'm going to cook the carrots for about 1 minute until they soften up a little bit. I love adding green onions to my noodles because they have a very nice flavor. So I'm going to first of all add the white part of the green onion together with my red onion. Once the carrot is done, I'm going to be adding in my sauce. Stir into the onions. Let this cook for about 30 seconds. The sauce is going to add a very nice earthy tone to my noodles. So next I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of water. Stir in the water into the sauce until it is fully combined. Next I'm going to be adding in 2 bricks of noodles. Add in some red and green capsicum. You can also add in some unsalted chicken or beef stock if you have some. Remember, the sauce is salty because both oyster sauce and soy sauce have sodium chloride. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, or you can check the back of your packaging paper for the time to cook the noodles. If you don't have some sweet chili or you don't like anything with chili, you can try out adding some ketchup or tomato sauce. Fresh garlic is so good when added to noodles. Just peel and crush your garlic and add in the pan for more flavor. Flip the noodles as they cook. This is to let all the sides be coated with the delicious sauce. Continue stirring as the noodles cook to separate the noodle strands so that they can cook evenly. I love one-pan recipes that are so delicious and need very little effort to make, just like my vegetable noodles. My veggie noodles is ready and it's looking incredible, and also the aroma is just so nice. So I'm going to be serving. I'm going to turn off the heat. Top the vegetable noodles with some sesame seeds or the top part of your green onion and serve immediately. Enjoy!